Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. This one is about the website editor and more specifically how to add more users in order to edit your website. Now there are three levels of access for your editors. You can be an editor, an admin or a super admin. And if you want to add additional people to edit your website, you have to be a super user. So if you're completely new to eSchools, then our training team can talk you through this. But if not, there will certainly be a super user within your school. If you are a super user and you want to add more people to edit your school website, then go across to the menu which slides in from the left hand side and go down to users. From there you can see the users that are already on your system, and to create a new user, click on the green button up at the top, put in their name, their email, and then select their role, super admin, admin or editor. And to go through those, an admin can administrate every single page of your website. A super admin can administrate every single page of your website, but they can also add more users. And an editor is somebody that can only manage certain pages. You can tell the system which pages that particular editor can edit and which ones they can't. That's so that there is no danger of that person accidentally editing, let's say, your policies page or your home page. This is usually used for schools that want their teachers to be editors so they can edit their own class page or their curriculum page, but they don't necessarily need them to have access to every single page on your school website. This thing over on the right hand side is if you're a school who is more concerned about security and you want to make sure that the people who are logging on certainly are those people they say they are, then you can turn on this login security button on the right hand side, and what that will do is that when that person logs in, they will receive an email with a verification code which they have to add into a secondary box after the login screen. Once you have added their details and you've clicked on save, they will receive an email with a temporary password in there so that they can log in directly from that email. And just to give you a bit more information on an editor role, you can see we've got some editors in here. If we click on this edit button here for this particular editor, you'll see a panel on the right hand side here where you can specify which pages that person can edit and which one they can't. As you can see here, they can edit these two pages, but they don't have access to things like governors and about us, the home page. So that's how to add more users to your website editor. I hope that's been useful to you, and I'll speak to you again soon.